Well then folks, it is what I will refer to as very early in the morning. I see the morning mist still rising off the canal and across the fields. I've got some wood burning on the fire because it's exceptionally cold, and of course take a chance to look at the morning planets. I don't know if you can see either Venus or Jupiter up there, but look at this. It's been an incredible night for astronomy, and now when I woke up early and well, looked out the window and saw this, I mean, how perfect is this? I suppose, on that note, I better get back into the warm.